Actually, ang Labs is we focus actually to solve a common problem. Yung common problem na yun is very, let's say, nandito siya everywhere
Okay.
at ramdam siya ng kahit sino.
Okay,
Kahit
okay.
sinong, actually yung focus namin is Lipa, and
Hmm.
we want the Lipeños na maiwasan na tong problem na to, at ito
Mm.
yung traffic. AppLabs is actually, so sabi ko nga, sa data company, ah we have designed this as parang face by face, na kung saan we start with identifying ano ba yung mga technologies na talagang gagamitin natin. Even na magbago, alam mo yun, nagkaroon na ng AI, nandito pa
Hmm.
rin yung technology na yun. So we
Oh.
identify those technology, and then after that is actually yung focus namin ngayon is to gather data.
Hmm.
Because kung may data ka, yung decision making mo is nakadepende
Hmm.
ka sa data.